is everyone doing? I feel like I haven't done this kind of video in forever to actually sit down and talk to you guys. So how have you been holding up? Here in New York, the lockdown got extended until June 13th. Anyway, so for today's video, I want to introduce you to my favorite K-beauty products and Western ones for the month of April. I know it's kind of late because May is almost over, but you know me, I was so busy with finals and all of that, so I just didn't have the time to actually, take the time to film this kind of video. Anyway, let's get started. The first product I want to introduce you to is this cushion foundation from Yves Saint Laurent. It's in shade 1, the lightest shade, because I'm super pale, and I'm currently wearing this right now. I decided to test this foundation on my hand so you can have a better idea. As you can see, it offers light to medium coverage and it gives this dewy look, so it makes your skin have this natural aspect to it. I've been loving this toner from Barosol. It's a K-beauty brand and it's made for all skin types, which is awesome. I personally have super sensitive skin, and if you know me, you'll know that I have a long history when it comes to toner because not all of them work on my kind of skin I have, but this one truly does. It has vitamin C, so it helps boost that hydration in your skin, and all you have to do is just like spray it all over your face once you're done cleansing, or if you double cleanse. And I use this morning and night, and it doesn't have a strong fragrance either, which is perfect because I personally cannot stand skincare products that are heavy on the fragrance, and also because they really irritate my skin. So this one is perfect, and it's easy to use as well, so I would totally recommend this one. So this is one of my absolute favorite products from Innisfree. It's an eye cream, but as a roller, it's super easy to apply, and I'm pretty sure I'm not the only one whose sleep schedule hasn't been great since the quarantine started, and I have bags under my eyes, but I've been using this, and it helps to that skin under my eye area because it also has green tea, which is actually the main ingredient in this product, so that helps with improve the condition of your skin. And I use it morning and night. So you press on here, and as you can see, the cream will come out, and then you put that under your eye. Okay, so you need this product. Okay, you need this product in your skincare routine. Like, this is a lifesaver. So it's from the same brand as the toner that I just talked about, but this, so once you're done applying your skincare routine, this is like the last step, and you apply this cream on the pimples that have been super annoying, and it actually dries them out overnight. So when you wake up the next day, the size of the pimple is like much smaller, and you can see results. Like, the pimple can be gone within 2 days. I didn't believe my eyes at first. I was like, wow, this thing actually works. So if you've been struggling with pimples, I totally recommend this one. I've been using it since March and I love it. This is what the cream looks like, and it leaves a stickiness after you apply it. So I felt like I wasn't a true K-beauty blogger if I didn't own anything from Free CE. So when Style Nanda had a sale back in March and also free shipping, I took my chance and I ordered something from them. So this is one of the products I got. It's one of their palettes, It's called Dear Nude, and I love the color ranges. They're perfect for achieving that perfect nude makeup. They're creamy, they're pigmented. I'm currently wearing some of the colors on my eyelid, and as you can see, it makes your eye makeup look very natural. So I totally get the hype now about Free CE, and I also like the size of the palette because it's small, so it's travel friendly, or if you don't have enough space in your apartment to store your makeup, I totally recommend to buy this. This is another product that I like from Free CE, is one of their lipsticks, and it's called Rosebud, and I'm currently wearing that on my lips. I really like this lipstick. It's creamy, it's not very pigmented, and it makes my lips look super natural. This is the lipstick from the Jeffree Star and Shane Dawson collection, and this shade is called Jeffree WTF. No swearing on this channel. Anyway, compared to the other lipsticks from this collection, this pink is not, it's still super pigmented, but not as pigmented as the others. So I would say it's on like the milder side. And you can totally wear this to class or work, or even when you go to a party. I'm talking as if the world is back to normal. So in the near future, when the world is back to normal and we can all go out again, I would recommend this lipstick. Anyway, and it's also waterproof. Like, if you eat something, it doesn't come off. You don't have to like reapply it, several times throughout the day. So it's super resistant. So I hope you enjoyed my video about my favorite products for the month of April, and I actually want to make this permanent series. So I'll see you next month with my May favorites, and until then, bye.